everybody, my name's Matt Elliott. Today I'm here to show you a rig that just came in. It's only been here literally less than an hour. It's a 2016 Airstream Class B motorhome. This is on the Sprinter chassis, so it's a Mercedes-Benz with a 3-liter diesel engine. Gets very, very good gas mileage, and it's an awesome vehicle to drive. So we're going to take a look at the inside of this, and I'll show you around, and then we'll come out and see the outside. Okay, now this Airstream is like a lot of the higher end groups. There's a few companies that are really well known for building a quality Class B van. This is certainly one of them. They're beautifully appointed. They've got a power step that comes out. One really unique feature on this one is it's got a rigid screen door. It's not one of those retractable pulley sloppy things that you see on some of these rigs. And so it's going to be durable and hold up. I want to mention this rig is a 16 with only 35,000 miles, and it's in immaculate condition. Follow me. So we'll go in the back here to start with. So this is the Airstream, and it is similar to these other vans in the market in the fact that it's got a power rear sofa that converts easily to make a bedding area or a dining area. And so all of this stuff converts down. It can be either twin bed or it can be a king size bed. There's an entertainment center back here too. Now, one thing that's really unusual about this one is that it has the long chassis the way that a Winnebago Era does, or Coachman Galleria. They all have the 24-foot, the longest of the Mercedes chassis. But what these guys did that's different is they left the couch up here in the 23-foot mark, providing us a good deal of storage behind the couch. There's a real versatile area back here I'll show you. So this has got the same amount of living space inside as a 23-footer, but more storage, which is what people are always looking for with a camper van. Of course, when it comes to storage, you can really tell. I mean, this has all of the lengthwise storage all along the top here, clear around the backside. Beautiful cabinets too. Everything in here is very high quality. Now we look at the galley, and one thing that's really neat about this, we've got a little counter extension here. This has more counter space than pretty much any of the B vans out there. They've done a great job of devoting a lot of space here, and it's got an unusual design for the microwave oven. It's down here kind of where the oven would normally be, which is kind of cool. It makes it a lot easier to get to and to get in and out of, and it's very programmable. We got a 2-burner stove here. We've got a nice deep sink right here so we can run our water there. And then it's got just massive cabinets. It's even got a garbage can here. Place for your paper towels. And you can see as you go through here that this is a very, very clean vehicle. We haven't touched it. This is the way we got it. We haven't even detailed this thing yet. Now if we look on this side, you see we've got a nice storage area. This is a versatile space. It's all adjustable shelving, so we could have hanging storage. There's a hanger up here, and it's got little drawers that pull out down here. And look at, again, the heavy-duty hardware. This is all hidden hinges, and it's just the kind of stuff that does not wear out. Now, one thing that's really nice with this particular van and this design, it's got a very large all-electric refrigerator. And they did a really smart thing. They put the freezer section down at the bottom. You're into the top part a lot more frequently, so it makes more sense to have that on top instead of the freezer. Now down here, we've got a beautiful bathroom with a real live door. Now a lot of these camper vans kind of have convertible bathroom designs, but this one here opens up and you can see that it's got a sink. It does a shower, it does a fully enclosed bathroom, and people like this. It's even got a little stainless steel porthole. It kind of looks like a ship in here. It's reminiscent with the stainless steel accents in here of the Airstream travel trailers. There's another big cabinet here. You don't have to come all the way back. Just will tell you more about it. Adjustable shelving and hanging storage. These are things that people are always looking for. Now, one other thing that's really cool about this van is that the 2 front seats will swivel around and become part of the living space. So the pluses are, one, I can set my bedding up and I can just leave it down all the time because I've got somewhere else to be, and I can put a table up here too. The other thing is this is kind of a front lounge design, so instead of running the shower cabinet all the way to the back of the driver's seat, we have enough room to swivel the driver's seat around, and now we have Also got cabinets that fold up. We've got more shelving here so we can use it like a desk area or set a dinner plate on it. And this is the portable table here. Now come on up here in the front. So what we've got in here is a fantastic Mercedes automobile that's luxurious and well appointed and easy to drive. This vehicle has the safety features that Mercedes offers of lane assist, so if you drift out of your lane, you can have it set up to notify you. It's got a special device to make sure you don't drift out of your lane. It's got some accident avoidance features. It's got heated seats. It's got a magnificent backup camera right up here where normally you have a rear view mirror. This has a backup camera, and then it has a navigation system and a really nice high-end stereo system. It has really just all the stuff that you would want to have, and it drives beautifully. If you haven't driven a Sprinter chassis, there's a reason why these are so sought after, especially used. In the new market now, you're talking about vehicles that are running upwards of $150,000 to even over $200,000 in some cases. And this vehicle, of course, is used with 35,000 miles. It's going to be a lot less expensive than that. Great opportunity for someone to save money off of what a new one costs and enjoy very, very good resale value on their vehicle as well. Let's take a look around the outside. Now, one of the things that I'll tell you about the exterior on this vehicle is it really doesn't look like a motorhome. It's pretty simple. It doesn't have a lot of gaudy stripes and decals to fade or peel, and neighbors don't get upset because something ugly is in your driveway. This is a gorgeous vehicle. It's got the nice blackout windows. It's got the beautiful Alcoa alloy wheels. It's got a sleek appearance. So they look great. We come down the other side here. You'll see that all of the fixtures that you have, if you look right here, here's access to various RV services, your outside shower, your hot water heater. But even with these things here, it doesn't look like a motorhome. It looks more like a van. That's part of the reason people buy these. Another thing that's really nice is this is an all steel body. It's very rigid. It's not like a motorhome where you build a box on a chassis. This is the whole original chassis. All steel, no leaks, no squeaks, no rattles, nothing to separate or delaminate. It's a complete Mercedes-Benz on the outside and a complete Airstream on the inside. Let's take a look around the back here. I wanted to show you this extra storage space back here, and also there's a screen that you can pull down that gives you a nice bug screen here, so I can open up all these doors and have the bugs on the outside and me on the inside. I really like that. This even has a little shelving unit that folds down here and goes across the back. So that is just a quick thumbnail sketch of our 2006 Airstream that we just got, 35,000 miles, and I really don't expect to have this vehicle very long, so I hope you see it quickly, and if it's something you're interested in, you consider giving me a call. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.